course, it's a chickenpox. Ветрянка. This illness is not so serious. Usually, after a slight temperature, a rash, and a headache, children make a full recovery. Sometimes people have a hay fever, a kind of allergy, a cold, a stomach bug, a sore throat, or a heart attack. Every illness has certain symptoms. Many of them are contagious. An ill person should visit a doctor to get the right prescriptions. Ill people often need help. The following phrases can be used to offer help. You look, sound awful. Let me. Why don't I? Can I? Sorry, you're not well. Would you like me to? Shall I? For you? For accepting help, answer. Yes, please. That's very kind of you. Would you? That would be great. For refusing help, say, Oh no, thanks. I'll be fine. That's really kind, but I think I can manage to do it myself. Actually, I've already got. Thanks anyway. Pay attention to idioms concerning illnesses. Drop like fleas. Дохнуть как мухи. Feel off color. Чувствовать себя нездоровым. Be under the weather. Чувствовать недомогание. Be back on your feet. Встать на ноги после болезни. Feel run down. Выглядеть изможденным.